In this video, I want to talk about something I see a lot on the internet and in a lot of videos all over the place. And that's going to be using undersized roof rafters and or spacing them too far apart. And the most common damage you're going to get from that is going to be a sagging roof and cracked ceilings. And let's not forget roofing leaks as these materials bow or separate from other framing components, like the rafters separating from the roof ridge. You're going to end up with water leaks. And I do remember one job where I could actually stick my fingers through the roof sheathing at the top of the roof ridge, where the rafters and the roof sheathing, along with the roofing shingles, had separated to create a nice gap there. So if you don't want to deal with something like this, make sure that you consult some of the roof rafter sizing span charts. And if you don't know anything about snow loads or wind resistance, then you might want to contact a structural engineer. And this might not be necessary for a small shed, something you're not going to be living in. And if the roof did ever collapse, there's a good chance no one's going to be in it. Then this might not be a big deal. But if you're building a house and you don't have a local building department and you get to do whatever you want to, then I would strongly suggest learning more about roof bracing, shear wall construction, and structural roof framing. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.